Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today's video, guys, we're going to be opening up 3 more packages. One from Texas, one from Virginia, and the other one is from New York. Cannot wait to see what they sent. And also, guys, I want to share a Whatnot show with you put on by Mr. Justin Landis. He sent some stuff in here before. He's selling some of his knives, so he'll have some money to travel on and buy more knives here at the Ellerville Knife Show. But here is his show right here, guys. It's tonight. He lives in Missouri. So if y'all want to, go check that show out tonight and help him get to the Ellerville Knife Show. Thank y'all so much. But he's a great guy. He really is. He's sent a few packages in here before. And also, guys, I want to share my Whatnot show. Here it is right here. It's October the 27th at 7 p.m. We're going to be having a charity auction for a toy run for, I believe, actually we'll be delivering the toys December the 12th, and the actual, when the parents come in and shop for the kids, will be the 13th of December. It's just going to be a great day, guys. It's going to be a great day for the kids. But again, the first $500 at the knife show is going to go for me and Val to buy toys. And then this Whatnot auction, everything I get after, if I buy that collection of knives, everything I get will go toward to buy toys as well. So it's going to be a great toy run this year. I cannot wait. Val really enjoyed that last year at Walmart, and I did too. Knowing that we was buying toys for other kids, it was so special, because we used $500 after we got our money back for the knives we raffled off at that last Ellerville Knife Show. It was like $500 something bucks. I think we spent $523 or $532 on toys, and we had so much fun. We delivered them down there. You bring in the toys one day, and then they set everything up for the ages and everything, and then they let the parents come in the next day to shop for the kids. And it's so cool. It really is. It's really a good thing to do. But again, my Whatnot, the charity auction Whatnot is going to be on October the 27th. That charity group, guys, is called Across the Map Missions and Ministries. So you can check them out. Great group. They really are. Great group. But anyway, guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in today. We're fitting to get over here and open these packages up. And I want to thank y'all so much for tuning in today. And I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, guys, here are two of the packages. One package is really big, but this one here comes all the way to us from Texas, from Mr. Eric Reynolds, Mr. Texas Pete himself. We're fit to see what he sent in. I already know what one knife is, but I don't know what it looks like. And it's one I've been collecting here lately. Hi, Doc. As we discussed, 2 knives in this package. The knife mark number 1 is a 1976 5347 that needs a dock spot treatment. Toast as you see fit. Number 2 is to thank you for the time, skill, and artistry that will go into number 1. See you in November. Texas Pete. Hoorah! So I remember now. Let's see. This is number 1. Ooh, look at that. That's beautiful, man. Blades are in good shape too. It's been sharpened some. That is a 1976 5347. Yes, sir. I cannot wait to do this knife. It's in great shape. It really is. And this knife is going to clean up really good. Sand that down. Toast them valleys right there. Beautiful, ain't it? Mr. Eric, buddy, I'll be honored to do this one, man. It's going to be a beautiful, beautiful piece. Beautiful piece. Cannot wait to do that one. Now let's look at this knife here. I'm nervous now. I'm nervous. Whoa. Check that out, y'all. Is that Stag or Bone Stag? That is a 2001. Now, if it's Stag, it'll have a 5. A 5190 or 51953 pattern. But if it's Bone Stag, it'll be 6.5 1953 pattern. And it is a V5 1953. So that's vintage Stag. Vintage Stag. Ain't that awesome? I love this, buddy. Thank you so much. See, it's got them valleys right there. I might have to toast this one here at the same time. You see them valleys that don't have no color to them? See that right there? Might not sand it down at all. I might just, once I sand that or toast it, I might sand it just a little bit, just to try to feather that toasting in some. But, buddy, I love that right there. Cannot wait to get this in my display case. Might not even mess with it at all. I might just clean it up. I don't know yet. We'll see. But I sure want some color in them valleys right there. But, buddy, I love that Mr. Eric, Mr. Texas Pete. I know I'm going to be cleaning this one up, sanding it down and toasting it. Beautiful, beautiful knife. Hoorah. I love it. Thank you, Mr. Eric. Appreciate you so much, man. Can't wait to see you again in November. And he has ordered me a very special Case Collector's something from Case. It's highly collectible. And once it comes in, I'm going to pay him. And I'll be sharing that with y'all. But he's bringing it to the Ellerville Knife Show. So I cannot wait to see it. But thank you again, Mr. Eric. Appreciate everything you've done, man. I appreciate all the support. Mr. Eric Reynolds, a.k.a. Texas Pete, sent them knives all the way in from Scurry, Texas, 757 miles away from Ellerville, Georgia. Mr. Eric, buddy, thank you so much for sending that RussLock in. Thank you so much for the other knife. I can't wait to clean it up, toast it, man. Appreciate all the support. God bless you, buddy. Okay, guys, now this is the big... see it right here. Let me raise y'all up some. It's huge, okay? Feels like a book, but I don't know. So I'm fitting to open it up, and we're going to look at it right here. Hello, Knife Doc. I'm a fan of your show. Thank you for all of the knife cleaning and repair tips. Enclosed is a book from Mr. Wade and the military patch for your collection. I believe it is a World War II patch for the construction battalion. We build, we fight, being their motto. Hoorah. I was once told that when Army, Navy, Air Force, Marine, and Coast Guard personnel, along with the Merchant Marines, served their time on Earth, they would be welcomed through Heaven's Gate to walk down roads put in by the civies, secured by Marines. Hoorah. I love that. Take care, Doc, and keep doing what you do. Patrick Gessel. Well, Mr. Patrick, buddy, thank you so much for sending this in. I can't wait to see that, but I know Mr. Wade is going to love this book. Check this out. I will be seeing him this next Friday right here in the Knife Museum and at the Pallet Cabin. Look at that. United States submarines. Look at that. Them dolphins right there. Naval Submarine League. I love it. Let's see if we can't find Mr. Wade's submarine in here. Okay, guys, I do talk about a Tautog in here, but it's USS Tautog 199. See that USS Tautog 199? That submarine was decommissioned in 1945, right after World War II. I think Mr. Wade was on the USS Tautog USN 639. So that's the only one, the Tautog I saw listed in there. But I guarantee you Mr. Wade's going to love that book. He really is. And this is the patch that Mr. Patrick sent in. Oh, look at that. Check that out. Oh, yeah. That is awesome. I guess that's for Seabees. Very cool. Very cool. Love that, man. Appreciate you. It's going to go up on my wall of fame. Thank you so much, man. I love it. We build, we fight. Hoorah. Thank you, man. Patrick, buddy, thank you again for thinking enough of us to sending that stuff in. I will be giving that to Mr. Wade again, just coming next Friday. Appreciate you, man. Mr. Patrick sent that book and patch all the way from Cohocton, New York, 1,027 miles away from Ellaville, Georgia. Mr. Patrick, buddy, thank you so much for sending that book in. Thank you so much for the patch. Appreciate you thinking of me and Mr. Wade. Appreciate you supporting the channel, man. God bless you, buddy. Okay, guys, the next package comes to us all the way from a guy that y'all all know and possibly love, because he's a great guy, and he will be at the Ellaville Knife Show. It is Mr. Aaron Williams from Virginia, from AW Custom Designs. He's, I don't see a note in here, but here's what he sent right here. I don't see a note in the box. He did send an email telling me he was sending me this right here. But it is a Caribbean blue bone saw cut jig RussLock. Check this out. That's a pretty blue. Brand spanking new. It needs to be cleaned up, and we can handle that. That year on that one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a 2023 Caribbean blue. That Glenn would love that knife now. Very, very cool. I've got a blue one over there now. It'll go right up under it, man. I appreciate you so much, Mr. Aaron. Appreciate you so much, buddy. I will be cleaning this knife up and getting it on display, buddy. Thank you so much, Mr. Aaron. But Mr. Aaron, if y'all go check his channel out, it's AW Custom Designs. He has he does some great modifications. He can jig a bone and die it better than a factory can. He can. He's an artist. He really is. And thank you again, Mr. Aaron. I can't wait to see you again, buddy. Mr. Aaron Williams sent that blue RussLock in all the way from Sandstone, Virginia, right part of Richmond, 639 miles away from Ellaville, Georgia. Mr. Aaron, buddy, thank you so much again for sending me that knife, buddy. Can't wait to see you at the Ellaville Knife Show. God bless you, man. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. I want to thank Mr. Aaron, Mr. Eric, and Mr. Patrick. Thank y'all so much for thinking of me, for sending all that stuff in. And Mr. Patrick, thank you for thinking of Mr. Wade for the book. And I love that patch. And Mr. Eric and Mr. Aaron, I love them RussLocks. Can't wait to get them cleaned up and put over there in my display case. Thank y'all. And guys, I want to remind y'all about Mr. Justin Landis. He's having a Whatnot show tonight. He's trying to raise enough money to be able to come to the Ellaville Knife Show and buy some knives. So I hope y'all get over there and support him. Thank y'all so much. And guys, I want to remind you about the Pallet Country Store, the case event. I'll be there October the 25th. It's going to be from 9 a.m. in the morning to about 2 p.m. Mr. Chaz and Mr. Rick, they're the owners of the Pallet Country Store and Johnny's Barbecue. Delicious, delicious, delicious food. I cannot say enough. And then on bonus of that, they got case knives, wall-to-wall, display cases, knives for sale. I already know of a knife I'm going to buy when I go up there. And I've already got word that they're holding me a sow belly Halloween knife. I can't wait to get up there and get that. So it's going to be a great day at the Pallet Country Store, guys. It really is. But anyway, I'm going to leave y'all at that, guys. Other than my Whatnot charity auction, October 27th, 7 p.m. Here it is right here. It's going to be a great day, guys. We're going to be raising money to go buy toys for the kids here in Ellaville, Georgia, or the surrounding areas. It's going to be a great day. Great day. And don't forget, if you want to help contribute to that toy run, bring some toys at the Ellaville Knife Show. New toys at the Ellaville Knife Show on November the 15th. Cannot wait, guys. It's going to be so good. Lots of stuff happening, guys. It always is. But I love it. I love the chaos. I feed off the chaos. Love it. Anyway, thank y'all so much for tuning in today, guys. I want to say God bless to each and every one of y'all. Until we meet again, guys, y'all be like a good night. Stay short.